This is one way to make your stop motion animation better. Once a month in 2022, I'm going to show you what I've learned and understand from filming stop motion to help you improve your own animation a little bit smoother and hopefully a little bit more realistic. Now I'm just going to say that I still consider myself as somewhat of a novice, and the methods and principles I'm going to show you are based on Ollie Johnston and Frank Thomas's 12 Principles of Animation based on the book The Illusion of Life, as well as my experiences and understanding in filmmaking and theater. One way you can make your animation look more alive is to use the principle of squash and stretch. This allows you to show the animated object speed, momentum, weight, and mass. As an example, here's Bodykun jumping with squash and stretch, and one without squash and stretch. Depending on the amount of squash and stretch, you can make a character look more soft and nimble or stiff and solid. While it's easier to keep the volume of squash and stretch with a tangible object, especially in stop motion, it's important to know when to deploy it, as it can look out of proportion if used sporadically. One way to avoid this altogether is to see the animated object as an overall shape as you animate it. You can also squash and stretch by rotating them, making them look a little bit thinner or wider, especially if the articulation allows you to do so. Now this concept isn't new, and it's a common technique used in the Japanese North Theater where actors move their mask to express different emotion while using the same mask. Now that's all for now. I hope that helps and see you in the next one.